Good evening. Today here on Ratchet News, a talking zebra? We have footage of this.
Hey, you got something to say? I love you, ma ba ba ba.
That's one fruit strike gum I definitely have to try. In other news, here at Ratchet News, we love to support our community. We was at the first annual Hood Olympics. It's your man Tyrell. Now my man Daquan came in first place on the fence jump, running away from the police event, but he had to give up his title because he got caught stealing at Walmart. And speaking of stealing, man, give me them cameras. Man, run me them draws. Today's on Ratchet News. I gotta ask you a question. Does crack kill? As you can see, we had to cut that one short. Somebody help them out there. This has been Spriggs, and this is Ratchet News.